Weston here, reporting on Tech Tuesday, where we have all the tech news. Microsoft has announced that they have been working on technology capable of immersing users in a virtual world as said user travels amongst specific locations. It has been dubbed as Dreamwalker, and Microsoft's example of use is that as a commuter is on their way to work, they could enjoy different travel experiences from day to day. I believe that it will certainly be interesting to see how this technology progresses, although I kind of feel like this is just bringing about the realities of Ready Player One. Google is adding some spooky sounds to Nest doorbells for the Halloween season. These additions will include a crackling witch, a ghost, a vampire, and a scary monster. There was also the mention of festive seasonal chimes for winter as well, coming out later in November. Lastly, Google has also added spooky music to the Google Assistant. All you need to say is, "Hey Google, get spooky." Finally, there have been some Dev Kit photos of the PS5 prototype as well as a physical build of the console. Now, although this design has lasted long enough for it to seem like this may actually be a consideration for the final product of the PS5, Sony is realistically going to change the design before the PS5's launch during the 2020 holiday season. The same thing happened with the PS4, where it originally looked terrible, but by release, the device was sporting amazing aesthetics, which have received design nominations and awards.